In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a project to a category in Jira. Whether you're trying to create a new category from scratch or assign an existing project to a category, I'll break down the steps for you so that it's all crystal clear. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to organize your projects in Jira more effectively. So let's get started. First things first, let's focus on creating a project category. Navigate to the settings icon located in the top right corner of your Jira dashboard and give it a click. From the drop down menu that appears, select projects. This section is essentially your command center for everything project related in Jira. Now within the projects menu, you're going to choose the option labeled project categories. This is where you can manage all your existing categories and, importantly, create new ones. Great, now that you're in the right area, let's move on to actually adding a new category. You'll find a section labeled Add a New Category. Here you'll need to enter a name and a description for your new category. Keep in mind that the name should be something descriptive enough to convey the purpose of this category at a glance. Once you've filled in these details, go ahead and click Add. You've successfully created a new project category in Jira. Now we're going to shift gears and talk about how to assign a project to this freshly made category, or any category really. Start by navigating to the project that you want to categorize. Once you're there, you'll see three dots located next to your project's name. Click on them. This will bring up a menu where you'll want to choose project settings. Think of this as the brain of your specific project where you can manage all sorts of individual settings. On the sidebar, you'll see an option called Details. Go ahead and select that. This is where the magic happens. You'll find a drop-down menu labeled Project Category. Click on this drop-down and select the category you've just created, or any other category you intend to assign to the project. Once you're happy with your selection, make sure to click on Save. And with that, you've successfully assigned your project to a category in Jira. Organizing your projects in categories can greatly enhance your project management efficiency. It will make it much easier to find and manage projects, especially as your list grows larger. Be sure to keep your category names intuitive and clear, and regularly review them to ensure they're still serving your team's needs. Alright, that wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I hope you now feel more confident about using project categories in Jira. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.